cabbage patches, look. Runway. Yes! Hey!
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on behalf of Strauss and Bruce, I'd like to welcome you to Valencia. Local time here is now ahead of the UK, it's making it 12:30. If it comes down to safety, please do remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, leaving all items and hand luggage safely stowed until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Before you leave the aircraft today, please do ensure you have all your personal items and your hand luggage with you, and once again do be careful when opening the overhead lockers.